That is way too much, but ahí vamos. It is hot as bubbles though. Very, very hot. I overdo it. It's just as good, but as soon as you stop taking it, yeah, heat kicks in, guys. So guys, hope you guys are having a super amazing day today. Guys, I received a package from my bro, Jumpin' Johnny's, all the way from Canada, guys. Unfortunately, guys, it did not make it in one piece. I don't know if you guys can tell, there's like a leakage right there. And then I got like a sorry note from the postal service. This is from your postmaster. Sincerely, your postmaster. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on there, but it's like an apology letter saying they try and take care of your stuff, but sometimes stuff happens. I don't know, for some reason, either I get a lot of packages or their stuff happens quite a bit with my stuff. Like, what? Like, handle things a little more carefully, especially if it says fragile on the box. You know what I mean? Like, if it's just a regular box, cool. But if it has fragile written on it, like everywhere, I would actually take more time and consideration into like those packages and then place them a little more carefully instead of just like throwing them or something. Especially like when you leave it in the front door, you know, like place it in the front door. Don't just like rush and throw it and run to your car kind of thing. Like, I don't know. Personally, that's just what I'm saying. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open this and let's hope it's not too bad. Like I haven't wanted to like even take it out of this because I'm like, I just hope it's like maybe just a little crack in the bottle and I can still taste the product, you know what I mean? Because his stuff, oh my goodness. But I've always said this about Canadian products. Like, I don't know what it is. It is, it's so good. It's spicy goodness. Like really spicy though. It's not like over here that you have to add like so many peppers to make it spicy. I don't know what it is. Maybe their process of making the product that it tastes spicy, but you can still taste all the flavoring. It's not just upfront heat. So vamos a abrirla as quickly as I could. And oh guys, mira cuando la abro. You guys see that? Oh, what if I find it all broken? Guys. Okay. Oh, and he did it so fucking, and he's so freaking beautiful, guys. Oh, this is so nice. Look at this. You guys know how much I love this. Like, oh, guys. It's like a party thing. Okay. Let's see the damage, guys. Let's see the damage. You know what? Okay. I think we're gonna be okay, guys. I think we're gonna be okay. Oh, we're gonna be okay, guys. Okay. So we have this one. It says, it's not glass. This is not glass, guys. That is great, bro. You should not send glass, especially coming all the way from Canada. This is perfect. This is perfect. We can still taste that bondness without like, oh crap, it got ruined, you know, because it broke. This is perfect. This is a great idea. Okay, so this is the ghost pepper chili oil. Ghost pepper, guys, and chili oil. No, mira, va a estar bien caliente. Okay, you know what it is? I'm gonna tell you guys right now. Let me just read you guys the big ones, because then I got 2 little ones, I got 3 big ones. This is the sauce buffalo one. Buffalo sauce, look at that. The color in this, guys. It looks so freaking delicious. And we got another one. Oh, extra hot. This is the Hate's Kitchen one, guys. But this color, oh, it looks diabolical. So what happened, guys, this is made out of glass. And this is the ghost pepper chili crisp. This is a curry, and you guys can see those pieces. Look at those beautiful pieces. You can just munch on that. Well, what happened is this one leaked. That's what happened. You guys see how it dropped? That's what happened. There's nothing broken, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Oh, so thankful to know that, because his stuff is so delicious that I wanted to be able to taste anything. And I actually didn't tell him, bro, because usually I see leakage and I tell him like, hey, I think something's broken, you know, before I do the unboxing. And we talk about it, kind of stuff like that. This one, I didn't want to tell him, hey, there was a leakage in the box. Like, I don't know what's going on yet, but I'll know right after my review. I didn't want to tell him because the first box was actually broken and I felt so bad. He sent me another one. And then he was so grateful, you know, because my video got him like some sponsor stuff. And guys, I was just so sad. And I was like, okay, maybe if it's broken, I can still taste it, you know? Like, I was still gonna go in there, just make sure que no tenía glass and everything. But it was just a little leakage, guys. We're perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and start with the first one that we got, the ghost pepper chili oil. Let's see qué dice. It's a mouth-watering, tantalizing, amazing, available in mild hot and stupid hot. That's what it says, guys. That's what it freaking says. Okay, what did I get? Oh, I got the hot one. Oh, good, bro, good. Because the stupid hot one sounds stupidly hot. Like, oh no. It has soybean, olive, sesame oils, chili, spices, garlic, ginger, and ghost peppers. So vamos a poner esta caja para abajo. And let me go ahead and give this a little shake. Y vamos a abrirla. Y vamos a ver, what did I get myself into here? Oh, because, you know, some companies like Pepper Donkey, you know, they be telling you that their stuff is mild, but in all honesty, it's not mild. It's pretty hot. So if he says that this is hot, imagine if it's not hot and it's like super duper 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 crazy hot. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, so chili oil, vamos a llenar la cucharita. I really got, bro, these bottles are great. I feel like everyone should make them in these bottles. I know a lot of people are against plastic, but for shipping wise, this is great. This is great. Vamos a probarla. Oh my goodness, bro. You know lo que se me antoja with this right now in the spring? Some spring rolls. Dip them in this. This is perfect. Yes, you taste the heat and it comes in towards the end. The oils are great. I taste the soybean oil in there. I think that's the one that has the most. I could put this on a salad. Honestly, it's really good. It is really good. Saltiness is great. I love the heat in it. Oh, the stuff I can be doing this. Some egg rolls también. Oh, all types of, you know what? I'm gonna take this one when I go eat some sushi. It is good. It is really, really good. But see, that's the thing with his products. They have all been amazing. Very hot though. That one, it's all right. It's all right. It's hot. Yes, I taste it, but it's doable, you know? So this is the buffalo sauce. It says, jump in and taste the difference. Ingredients, aged cayenne peppers. Vinegars, water, spices, olive oil, coconut nectar, really, and salt. The color on it, I'm digging this color. It is really nice. So vamos a give it a shake. Let's open this. It looks creamy, just right off the back. It looks like it's a creamy sauce. Vamos a ver. Okay, stop. Just taste it. Yep, nice creaminess to this sauce. It's like very, very smooth. Everything is well blended. Oh my goodness. Some hot wings. And the cayenne almost gives it like a tamarindo taste to it. It is not extremely hot. Perfect. I'm telling you, I got some chicken going right now on the tray here. This one on some chicken, hombre. You know what? Like, even like coated on top, you know, like as a little glaze. Oh my goodness. Mouth watering. This is so good. Perfect heat. It's not extremely hot. You do get some, like a kick into it, but if you love that addicting spice, this one's great. So good. The salt, perfect. I can tell there was like a lot of trials going into perfecting this because it's great. It is amazingly good. Now we got one more and then I'll go into the jar ones. Okay, this is the, oh my goodness. This is gonna be hot. This is gonna be hot, guys. This is a Hate's Kitchen. Extra spicy, guys. Woo. If you can't handle the heat, don't go into Hate's Kitchen. Okay, well, we're going into the kitchen, so we should be able to handle that heat, right, guys? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Tiene ghost serrano thighs. Thighs, guys, you know I always be telling you guys that these thighs, they just sting your mouth like it burns. And you would think they wouldn't, right? Such a little pepper, ¿verdad? Cómete that little pepper. Oh my goodness, you get like bee stings on your tongue. With one pepper. I don't know how that happens. It's a different type of burn. This is more of a sting. Ring of fire, peppers, onion, garlic, vinegar, spices, salt, phantom, serrano, thigh. Oh my goodness, hasta más. Oh no. Poivrons, vinegars. Oh, you know what? I think it's just telling me in a different language. Yeah, spices, sel. I know that's a different language, but it didn't stop and tell me it was a different language. So I me la empecé a leer like if it was something else. ¿Tú crees, nombre? That heat, guys, is getting to me. Okay, let's go ahead and open this one, guys. Let's just do a little dab of this one. Why are we doing spoonfuls all the time, guys? We know how it tastes with a little dab. We ain't gotta be doing no spoonfuls. But I avoid because then we get those naysayers to tell you, hey, you didn't do a full spoon. And it's like, well, here you go. Full spoon for you. Oh my goodness, that is way too much. That is way too much, but ahí vamos. It's like an extremely spicy taco sauce. The garlic, the onion, salted to perfection. Taste those spices. I'm really digging that garlic in there. Oh, it's really good. It is hot as bubbles though. Very hot. But this and some nachos, some ground turkey tacos, that would be so good, guys. So good. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna overdo it. I overdo it. It's good, but as soon as you stop taking it, yeah, he kicks in, guys. Ay. Okay, we got two more, and let me go ahead and get them. Okay, so we got the taco and the curry. They're both ghost pepper. Let's give them a good little shake. Me estoy quemando la boca already, guys. Let's take 5 and then we'll come back to this. All right, so this is the curry one. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Let's go ahead and get a nice, I want to get everything in here. So let me get it to go down. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to get a lot of this, pero se me cae. And then I just end up getting the oil on top. You know what? I should probably lean it. No, that is not gonna work. Okay, maybe if I go all the way down. Okay, I got it. Oh, look at this, guys. The curry one, guys. Let's go ahead and try this. It's a mouthful of peppers right there, guys. I don't know if it's extremely hot. I mean, it says it has ghost peppers in it, but maybe it's like 1/4 of a ghost pepper with like a whole gallon or something. I don't know. Okay, let's try it. I really like it. Like in a stir fry, mix them in here. Like, I don't know why, I feel like this really goes with any type of sushi. Like you put it in the middle of your rolls. Perfection. It is really good. Yes, it's spicy. It's spicy. But the thing about the ghost peppers, guys, that it kicks in at the end. So it lets you experience this deliciousness up front. And then the heat just kicks in and it overpowers. No, but this is why I don't like wearing my hair up when I'm recording. But look, you guys can't even tell. There you go. Es que está caliente, guys, está caliente. But I hate wearing my hair down también. I feel like it's always in the way, especially since I'm always moving and doing like so many things, that I have people messaging me on Instagram like, you should put your hair down more. Like, your hair looks nice down. And I'm like, I just can't stand it being down. Like, I'm always running, I'm always doing this and that. And I just feel like it gets in the way. Okay, so this is the taco one, guys. And it has ghost peppers también. So what's the difference between the curry one and this one? Oh, guys, look at that. Oh, you guys see that? That's a huge spoonful. Let's go ahead and try this one. I see why you call it the taco one. This one's perfect for tacos. I don't think it's as hot as the curry one though. Oh, I wish I had like a huge jar of this. Oh my goodness. It's almost like a salsa de matcha, but with like a taco seasoning on it. That's what it tastes like. It's really good. This one is perfection. So good. I don't taste the ginger in it, but everything else, it's basic stuff. The ghost pepper in here, I'm telling you guys, doesn't feel a lot, or maybe it's just that my mouth is already on fire, but it's so good. It doesn't say I have any taco seasoning or anything, but it says spices. So there's like a secret ingredient in there or something like that. I could munch on this one all day. All day. Super delicious, bro. Super delicious. Like honestly, if I had a hot sauce company, this would probably be the only thing I would sell, and it would like sell out immediately. So good. Like ridiculously good. I have not tasted anything with this flavor. I'm telling you that the heat is perfect to the point where you just want more and more and more. It's not so overpowering that you're like, just one spoon y ya no puedo. No, you just want, like honestly, I can probably eat this whole thing right now. But we're gonna leave it because I still gotta post it on Instagram, guys. So good. Guys, you guys have to try this one. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are so freaking amazing. Bro, thanks a million for not only making and creating this, but for sending it to me. You're so freaking amazing.